We guide you through how to change your ChatGPT voice. So the first thing you need to do is to open your ChatGPT and make sure you are logged into your account. Then look for the voice or headphone icon. This is usually found in the chat interface when voice mode is available. Tap the voice icon at the bottom of the screen to activate voice mode. Once voice mode is open, tap the settings or option icon, then select voice or choose voice depending on your app version. You'll see different voice options available. Tap each one to preview how it sounds, then select the one you prefer and confirm your choice. On some versions, you may also find this under Settings, Personalization, then Voice. After selecting, start a new voice conversation to test it and make sure the changes applies.